Now Howard used grey and white squares to make figures that form a pattern. Okay, fill in the number in the blanks. Okay, very simple. You will notice that the pattern is for the grey squares is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And for the total number of squares, okay, you will realize that it is a sum of grey and white squares. So naturally, this will give us 13. Okay, find the total number of squares in figure 11. Okay, so notice that the pattern for the number of white squares follows, okay, the formula. Okay, 2 times of the figure, then I add a 1. Right? 2 times of a figure, then I add a 1. So therefore, for part B, okay, for figure 11, right, number of white squares okay, that will be 11 times 2 plus 1, which will give us 23. Got it? So therefore, total squares would simply be 11 plus 23, which will give us 34 squares. Okay, let's take a look at part C. A figure number had 52 squares altogether. How many white squares were there in this figure number? Okay, if you have 52 squares altogether, okay, so you must understand, okay, on further inspection, the total number of squares actually follows this pattern, which is 3 times of the figure number plus 1. Right, figure 1 you have times 3 plus 1 will give you 4. Figure 2 times 3 plus 1 will give you 7. Okay, so hence figure number for the 52 squares, right, you will realize which figure does it lies in. 52 minus 1 divided by 3, that will give us 17. Okay, and we do know that to get the number of white squares, it would be 35. Okay, so that is the answer for this question.